Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix CookieRun Kingdom app crashing or CookieRun Kingdom game crashing on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to force stop or force close the CookieRun Kingdom app. So tap and hold the CookieRun Kingdom app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it. Then next you have to clear the cache and data of the app. So tap on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and again click on delete to confirm it. Now go back. Next you have to tap on battery usage, then allow the background activity and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data, and if you are connected to mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the CookieRun Kingdom app and check if your crashing problem is fixed or not. If not, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall CookieRun Kingdom app. So tap and hold the CookieRun Kingdom app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then just restart your device, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for CookieRun Kingdom and then tap on it, and here you will see the install button. So tap on install to reinstall it, and once the CookieRun Kingdom app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve CookieRun Kingdom app or CookieRun Kingdom game crashing or crashes at a startup on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.